Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to my channel, The Concept Travel. Today I will be explaining about how to do trim curve and trim body and also about trim sheet. Okay, now I have created one section, a rectangle. Here I am going to explain about trim curves. Okay, so here I have created a rectangle with the dimension. Now I will add one more line here. Okay, so there is an option above, you can see trim. Trims a curve to the closest intersection. So I've selected that. So since already I have one line, so if you select the curve which you want to trim, just move the cursor near to the curve which you want to trim it. So I am moving to this curve. You can see it is highlighting red color till this boundary. So till the boundary it will highlight. Suppose I am moving here only till where it reaches the boundary, till that it will highlight red color. Same way, see here. So till it highlights here. So it means this line will be trimmed. That is the indication before trimming it will show as a preview. So I am selecting this line like this and selecting this line, and here also I am going to see it's highlighting. So this can be trimmed. Yes, I am just selecting. Again I am selecting this. You can see till the boundary, I mean the point, intersection point, it will highlight. So I am going to select. So like this it will trim. Okay. So close. Again we'll explain about maybe not only the line, you can use curve also instead of that. For example, I am using this curve. See, this is the curve. I'm using this. For example, I'm drawing a curve like this. Okay. So if you want to trim this, select the trim and go here, trim, and also I can select this one, this external curve. This I'm selecting, see, trim, and also here. Okay, so like this, even using a line as a boundary or a curve as a boundary, we can trim the curves in sketch environment. Okay, so like this we can make, and we can give this if you need, you can give dimension here, radius dimension here. Okay, this you can make. Okay, I will finish this sketch. This is about trim curves using a line or curve. So now I am going to extrude this. Okay, extrude this. You can see here. Okay, now I'm going to trim this body. This is a 3D body. I'm going to trim this body using a plane. Okay, so I'm going to create one plane using datum coordinate system. So this is the option, datum plane, using a distance. Selecting this face as a reference. From here it will go to the right side to make a plane. Okay, maybe I will create here. Okay, so press OK. So using the plane, I'm going to trim the body. The plane will be acting as a boundary. So I'm going to the trim body. You can see about trim body option. It trims the body using the plane. Okay, select. See, you can see select a body. I'm selecting this body, and select a face or plane. Either you can select any sheet or a plane. So I'm having a plane here. I'm selecting this plane. Okay, now it asks whether you need to trim the body the other side as per the arrow direction or the opposite. So if you want to trim the other opposite direction, just you can go here into the trim body menu, just click it, reverse direction. So it will show this side will be trimmed. Okay, if it is okay, press OK here, and you can see it is trimmed here. Suppose I want to move the plane little bit the back side, so that I trimmed will be, there will be change in trim. So just I want to move the plane, just I drag this to back side, press OK, and you can see using the plane it will be trimmed. Okay, because already we have completed trim feature, so using the plane only it got trimmed. Okay, so like this we can trim the body using a plane. For example, I am going to create one sheet. Go to the sketch view here, select a face here. Okay, okay, here I am going to draw a curve. Okay, draw a curve. Okay, this is an arc, and here one more arc I am creating. Check endpoint. Okay, just I create an arc. Okay, so now create an arc actually. Okay, So now what I will do, I'm going to create one sheet using this curve. Extrude. Okay, so I'll make it symmetry. Okay, so that the trim body should cover the sheet. Sheet should be bigger. Okay, at least it should equal to the surface. Then only it will be like a trimming the body. Okay, now this surface, this is a sheet body, will act as a trimmer to cut the body. Okay, it will act as a plane, or a plane we cannot say, it's a sheet. Okay, it's a sheet or surface to trim the body. So if you want to trim the body as a like a flat or maybe any angular, you can use the plane. But any curvy things, if you want to trim the body, we need to use this surface only. Okay, so here I'm going to use same trim body. Okay, select the body, selecting the plane or face. Select this option, selecting the face. See, automatically it is showing which side you want to trim it. If this side, this side. So if this side is okay, just press OK here. It will be trimmed. You can see. You can see. Okay. This is the trim body. Okay, like this we can trim. This we can hide it. Right click, you can hide it. Okay, we can hide it. So like this we can trim the body using the plane, also using the sheet. So we have seen today about how to trim the curve in Sketch using a line or a curve, and here in 3D body how to trim the 3D body using a plane or using a sheet or a surface. Okay, hope it understands. Any doubts, please let me know through comments. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, any doubts, let me know. Thank you. Bye.